Hey friends, if the battery icon is missing from the taskbar on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now, ideally, it has been over the newer updates, it has been fixed here and it won't remove. But if you're still using an older update, then right click on the system tray, the taskbar, and select taskbar settings. Expand the list for other system tray icons, and if you find the battery icon here, I don't because I am using the new updates. So if you find it here, then toggle it on. Okay, you can simply toggle it on. But other than this, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, and then select check for updates or install updates or whatever option you have here. And lastly, update the battery driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for batteries, right click on the first one and select update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.